नमस्कार, আমি ডক্টর শঙ্কর নাথ ঝা। I am Dr. Shankar Nath Jha. I work as consultant endocrinologist. I am attached with Murshidabad Medical College as Associate Professor Public Health and Community Medicine, and I practice in Hooghly district and Murshidabad district of West Bengal, India. I am here to discuss with you regarding this COVID-19 situation and the panic thereof. There are some important points to share. This is for everyone, not only for diabetes patients or hypertension, this is for everyone, and this message is for public health importance, not for any commercial purpose. We are in an unprecedented condition of pandemic. The world is suffering from this pandemic, and this condition is there since last January, and we have passed almost 1 month of lockdown, and there are many problems people are facing. But you need to understand few things, why this is so, what we should do at this point, how we can help the government and the society by and large, and help ourselves. First of all, I must tell you that the government of India, government of West Bengal, every state is doing a fine job. Why I am telling so? Because in a country of 130 crore people, if we did not effectively put on this lockdown, we could have been in a disastrous case. At present, we have about 15-20,000 people suffering from COVID-19 positive. So, if we did not pose this lockdown, this number could have been in lakhs, maybe in crores. In that way, we could not have stopped this program, this infection, and there would have been a mess, like in Western countries, America, Italy, what they have suffered. So first thing, be a good soldier, listen to the government, stay at home and maintain the lockdown. Next is, why do panic? We are in more than 1 month. Every epidemic, this is not the first epidemic of the century or since inception. There have been many epidemics. For influenza, the SARS, MERS, the Spanish flu, there are many epidemics. But this is a new one. Every time we get a new variant, and this virus is a bit clever. It can mutate genetically. So this time we may take more time. But be confident that like every epidemic, the curve must go down. It's a natural rule after some time. So how long it will take? Most of the cases in history has told you that no epidemic has lasted for more than 3 to 6 months, or maybe a secondary wave up to 1 to 2 years. So maximum we can suffer up to 3 to 6 months. So you can jolly well imagine that India is a big country and we are on the right track. Stay at home, and what are the things you should do? How this virus spreads? This virus spreads through person to person. If a person sneezes or coughs within 2 to 3 meters from you, you can get the virus. So wear masks, everyone is wearing masks, and wash your hands. This virus, if it is put on some object, in mobiles, in pens, so you can have, we call fomites. It can be transmitted from that fomite to our hand, and we put our hand in the nose or eye, so it can infect us. So what we should do? We should wash our hands, we should stay indoors, and by washing, follow 6 techniques. 6 steps of washing. First this, then this, then this, then tip of your fingers, then the thumb, and then a whole of the hand. So these 6 steps. And what is good? The soap and water is very good. Soap and water is better than any sanitizer. Don't run for sanitizer. Any surgical mask is good. For N95 mask, it is needed by health professionals, the doctors who are dealing with patients. For armed population, it is not needed. And the most important point is 85% of the infection is asymptomatic. 100 জনের মধ্যে 85 জন আপনা আপনি ভালো হয়ে যাবে। 85% people will get automatically cured. And there may be many asymptomatic carriers. So if you have become positive, don't worry. There are 95%, more than 95% chances that you may not develop any serious infection or may not get admitted to the hospital. Only 5% people may get admitted in the hospital, and there are some patients who are at risk. So, more than 95% chance that you will be alive. Don't panic. And the persons who are aged more than 65 years, who have heart disease, who have diabetics, are more chances of developing the severe form of disease. So they are particularly advised to stay home and avoid infection. Next comes the prophylaxis. There is a drug, hydroxychloroquine. It is recommended for health professionals only to avoid this, not for everyone. You must exercise. For people with diabetes, you should do exercises at home. You do pranayams. Take deep breaths and leave slowly. So pranayam, many forms of pranayam are there. You can take by Nadi Shodhan pranayam. You can walk at home, you can do spot jumps, you can do free hand exercises. And regarding diet, vegetarians' diet are good. Avail the diet available at your home. Vegetarian diet is good at present, not because of fear of virus, but vegetarian's diet will keep you healthy. Eat less. And regarding patients who has some disease like diabetes, you must continue the medicines. You should inform your doctor. Nowadays, you may not be able to go to the doctor. Nowadays, consultation by phone, WhatsApp, Google is legalized. It is legal. You can consult with the doctor by WhatsApp message, by phone, for nowadays, because we want distance. In emergency only you should visit hospital. Otherwise, you can consult with your doctor, pay the fees online and have a prescription. There is no harm in that. But you must continue medicines. If the lab is closed, you can measure the blood sugar at home, consult with it. You can measure blood pressure at home. These blood pressure machines, blood sugar machines are very cheap. They are only 2,000 rupees, more less than that. And above all, keep your mind still. Do not panic. Every day the news channels are showing this much. Only read the PDF version of e-newspaper. Don't open the TV channels every day and stay behind TV channels. WhatsApp, aaj ye ho gaya, kal ye ho gaya, aaj kaito log more gaye. Don't do. These are the people. There are people thinking of it. They are more intelligent than Indians are more intelligent than any part of the world, and Indian brains are working day night. Government, there are many brains behind the government, many brains behind these decisions. You cannot argue. They are the best brains. They are working for you. People are thinking, but be a good soldier. Stay at home. Look for what is there. Don't go out. প্রতিদিন বাজার করার দরকার নেই, ডাল ভাত বাড়িতে রেগুলার খাবেন, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য বেস্ট ফর ইউ। কনসাল্ট ইউর ডক্টর অনলাইন অ্যান্ড স্টে অ্যাট হোম, স্টে হেলদি। My telephone number is 9830163587. You can always contact me. Those who know me or those who don't know me, you can find me as Dr. Shankar Nath Jha in Google. I can always help you. Thank you very much. Stay home. Stay safe. Jai Hind.